This is a review of the Hiseeu security cameras that has 12 volts and it's a DC power cord that has 10 channels, and this is a pack of 4 of them, and we're going to be doing an unboxing, a review about these security cameras. I do want to mention that these cameras, like it mentions right here, it comes with a built-in dedicated module for safer and reliable transmission. So it comes with a pretty much, this is the channel where it receives, so it got up to 10 channels, and it's 4 security cameras that comes with, and it offers the HD quality image, so pretty much a 1080p quality. It also has a cloud drive as well too, and a multiple, pretty much it has a lot of features in it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing and see how good the quality of these cameras are. So this is everything that it comes with. You can see the sticker itself. I do love the fact that it comes with the sticker, the security camera itself. This is night vision, so you can see at night, and it records everything at night very crystal clear and really high quality. It has a good weight on it too, so like it's very durable and it feels very high quality. And right from here, you can see here we got a mouse that comes with the integrated mouse, so you can use that to hook up your PC or any computer that you have, and pretty much a monitor and all. Like I mentioned before, it comes with the channel itself too, up to 10 channels. Like I do want to mention the fact that this is a pack of 4, so it's your preference if you want to get 10 pack, 8 pack, or 4 pack. But I chose with 4 pack because that's the amount I need. And it comes, what I love about it is that it comes with the instructions guide. It comes with everything you need to install it. So if you get lost, you do have the menu guide to go see how to install it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these cameras. They're super high quality, and they are very durable, and it really does, like, security cameras. A pack of 4 of these will definitely fit best for any home, and I'm gonna obviously use these for my home. And so far I absolutely love the quality of these security cameras, and I would definitely recommend these cameras if you're looking for a new setup of security cameras. Then these ones are probably one of the best security cameras that you could get for your home.